Hello everyone. Today I am going to do an unboxing from the Diamond Art Club. This was a kit I was able to snag on Black Friday. They did a midnight release Pacific Standard Time. So for me, Eastern Standard Time meant I got up at 3 in the morning to grab this kit. Today's unboxing is going to be The Crazy Cat Lady by Hannah Lynn. I am so excited to get into this. The second I saw this was a potential release, I knew I had to get up and get this ordered. So let's get into the package and see what this looks like. This is a square diamond kit. Oh, I'm so excited to look at this. I could not believe that I was able to snag this. Okay. So before we open any of this stuff, let's look at the toolkit. I know most of you know what this is. You know exactly what's inside. You probably have a million of them. Of course, Murphy's Law, the trash man is going by now, so sorry for the noise. But on the off chance this might be one of your first unboxings, this comes with every painting kit you get. Now, it might be a little different depending on the company, but I've yet to get a Diamond Art kit that doesn't have a toolkit in it. So don't go out and buy this stuff. You'll end up with more than you ever need. So let's see, we have your tweezers. I don't know if it will focus. Focus. There we go. Very shiny sharp points. Be careful with those. Those come in very handy when you accidentally spill some drills on your painting. You have your Diamond Art pen with a little squishy to make it a little bit more comfortable. This is the only pen you need. You do not need to go out and buy one of those fancy pens. While we usually do because it's fun, and if you're a crafter, you're also a collector, this works just fine. This comes with a little multi-placer, which can go on the other end. I just used a multi-placer for the first time the other day, and it was not as scary as I thought it would be. You have your wax, and there's plastic on both sides that you need to peel off to use. Now I do have from Diamond Dots the little circle case, and when that wax runs out I just put one of these inside it. So probably want a little type of container to put this in so it doesn't all dry out once you take the plastic off. You have your boat. I love the boats with the little nozzle on the end so that you can just put your used drills back into the container when you're done. And then a bunch of spare baggies. I don't use these baggies. I tend to have a little container system I use, and then any extras, I actually just get the snack size bags from the grocery store. I feel like they're a little bit easier to use than these long, thin ones. So that is the kit, the toolkit. I'll put that away and we'll get started on the unboxing. Okay, the Diamond Art Club comes with a couple of sticker sheets. I like to put this one in my journal. It has all the information on it, so I don't have to write anything down. And then this is just a second one that I'll put in my kit when I kit it up. So here we have Crazy Cat Lady by Hannah Lynn, a 70 by 88, square shaped diamonds, 55 colors. Let's see. 3 AB drills. Now on this particular one, the AB drills are not the first 3 in the list. So 1, 2, and 3 are actually 4, 5, and 6. So just pay attention to that when you're kitting up. And here are all the symbols. Okay, let's get into the canvas. Are you ready? Are you ready? Goes this way. Oh, oh my goodness. Look at this. All right, let's just get it to lay flat. This is a poured glue canvas, which means you can roll it back on itself to help it straighten out. Now, you don't need to do this. If you lay this down flat, in a few minutes, it will flatten out all on its own. But the speed of getting this video done, we're just gonna roll this back a little bit. You don't want to do it too tight though. Okay, and here we go. Oh my goodness. I think we have some cat fur here to go with the cat picture, maybe to make it a little bit more authentic. Let's see. All right, I think that's it for whatever that was. And here is it fitting in my frame? It's so big. Let's adjust a little bit. There we go. So pretty. Look at her face. Oh, and you have all the little cats. You've got one down here playing with a ball of yarn. I don't know if you can see. You can't because it's so big. Look at that one. So we have two legends, one on either side. We have one down at the bottom right, one up at the top left. We have over in the corner the picture with all the information right here on the canvas for you. You got your crazy cat lady. This is just beautiful. Okay, but let's get into the drills first, and then we will take a closer look at the canvas. Let's do this one first because it looks like it's a little bit darker in colors, and then we'll get into the brighter colors. So we have right here, it says Crazy Cat Lady, 2 of 1. I still find that funny. I feel like it should be 1 of 2, but they've got 2 of 1. But this is great if you don't keep your drills with your canvas, which I don't, because once I roll this back up, I don't want to risk wrecking it by putting them together. But this will let you know which kit this goes to. Gonna have some crinkling for a couple of seconds. Oh my. So this is my first kit with all these 310s. I think I must just go for brighter kits normally, but let's get started. So we have 3770. Look at the quality of the drills. So pretty. And 938, 783. And then we have 310. Let's see if we can see what the drills look like. I've heard that the darker drills are the ones that usually give you the issues. I am working on a square right now from Diamond Art Club, and I have maybe 3 trash drills at this point. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 bags of 310. And then we have 3033 and 9033. Actually, 3033. Reading it through the screen is not always the easiest thing. So you have 2 bags of 3033. And then we have, oh, after those full bags, we have some baby bags. Let's see. We have 3810, 333. Gotta love purple. 718. Oh, we've got an AB right here for 128. So those are your extra shimmery diamonds. So they sparkle more, and then anything next to them sparkles a little bit more having them next to them. We have, ooh, I'm gonna go with 892, 775. That is my favorite drill color. Even though purple is my favorite color, 775 is my favorite drill color. 422, 605, 209, 3, I'm gonna double check. 9860. Okay, this one is actually, wait. Oh my goodness. 3860. And I do have my glasses on, people. 3814, 420, 954, 3776, 3828, 905, 3841, 3808, 743, and 336. That is bag 1. Let's get on to bag 2, which has all kinds of beautiful colors in it. Okay. 208, 904, 352, 445. Oh, that's pretty vibrant right there. 3371, 3325, 3809, 814, 498, 728, 907. You don't even need to read the number to know this is an AB drill. Look at the sparkle. 134, 894, 666, 3755, 322, 312, 131. There is your other AB. So that's all 3 of those. You know, this has the extra shimmer, but I gotta tell you, even the ones next to it have some pretty good shimmer going on. 301, 334. Six, 4, 5, 7, 4, 0, 300, 400, 355, 646 times 2, 754, 644 times 2 times 3, 647 times 2 times 3 times 4, 321 times 2, 3770 times 2 times 3. So that is all the drills. Let's take a closer look at this canvas now. Okay, so our ABs are 1, 2, and 3. Let's see if we can find those as we take a closer look at this canvas. Look at how nice and clear the symbols are. Oh, here's some 2s. Some 2s on the cat. Some 2s up on the book. And some 3s up on the book. Have we seen any 1s yet? Got some 2s in the hair and some 3s on the picture frame. Trying to go slow so nobody gets motion sickness. Look, here's some more 3s on the shirt. Stop me if you see some 1s. Did anybody else get Crazy Cat Lady? Or is it on your wish list to get? Anyone miss out at the last minute? I heard some people had some things in their cart, and then when they went to pay, it was too late. I was definitely gonna panic that I was gonna get to this quick enough. Oh, look at the little cat peeking around the corner. Such great clarity. All right. Let's see if we can find those 1s. I'm just gonna. Okay, I found some 1s. I think there's a little tease for the 1s. We have a little bit here in the cat's ears, right there. And then over here, a little bit more in the cat's paw. And you got some more in the cat's ear. So the 1s are few and far between, but there are 3 ABs with this, so not mad at all because you have 3 different colors. And here we go. Crazy Cat Lady by Hannah Lynn. Diamond Art Club. Happy crafting.